if you're suffering from excessive thinness, if you're losing a lot of weight and you don't know what's going on, the reason could be that you're malabsorbed. In your colon is full of mucoid plaque. Your body cannot absorb or utilize any nutrients. And for you to begin to gain weight, you need to get rid of this mucoid plaque. And it can be done very easily and simply. All you need to do is switch from your regular diet of meats, animal products, dairy, starches, and go onto a fruits-only diet program. And you do this for a few weeks, and down the road, you will be using something made of bentonite clay, helium husks, and you'll be drinking that, and that will take away all that thick mucus plaque that's coating your colons and not allowing you to gain weight or to use your nutrients or even to use washing properly. So it's very simple. It can be done. I want to show you how you can do it. Just click the link below, join my group, and I'll show you the steps you can take to get better, to absorb more naturally and gain the weight you want naturally as well.